and welcome to the HT2 channel. This week, we are going to explore the importance of staff preparedness, which is the very first step to any organization's continuity plans. So, sit back, relax, and get ready for this week's session. Welcome back to the H22 channel. I am Kelly, and I will be walking you through today's video, wherein we cover the importance of staff preparedness. In our opinion, staff preparedness is the single most important piece to the success of any organization's continuity plans. Without critical staff, even the best thought out and documented plans will not work without staff to carry out the plans. No organization will survive a significant interruption if the staff aren't able to carry out the continuity plans. This past year has really exemplified just how valuable your staff is and how they are able to be resilient and continue to power through. Which is why it is so critical that you provide resources to your staff to be prepared at home. Repeated messaging is key here. The more people hear the messaging, the more likely they are to act upon the messaging. So, consistent reminders are helpful to spread the preparedness messages, and HT2 can help you craft and deliver that messaging. We would also encourage you to incentivize preparedness into your efforts at work. I have seen organizations get really creative with incentivization programs centered around family preparedness plans. So take a moment to think about what would work to incentivize your colleagues. Would they be motivated by a catered lunch, gift cards, competitions, trips, or monetary rewards? I have seen a few companies really set the bar high. Years ago, there was an attorney firm in downtown Seattle that held an annual disaster kit cook-off. The office staff would congregate and 2 staff members would cook up their disaster kit survival recipes. And it was so creative and really engaging too. Selected staff were tasked with judging and determining the champion. Very, very creative. Another company created a Passport to Preparedness challenge that encouraged staff to complete a series of preparedness steps outlined in the passport, like stocking up on water and food, getting certified in first aid and CPR, taking a disaster preparedness class, etc. I was there one day delivering the disaster preparedness class to the group, and the excitement and friendly competition was profound. At the conclusion of the competition, the staff members that accomplished each step were able to toss their completed passports into a hat. The grand prize winner was pulled from the hat and received, and drum roll here, an all expenses paid vacation for 4 to Hawaii. That may seem over the top. However, it really is a small price to pay to ensure that your staff will be able to return to work quickly after the next interruption. Do you think your staff have their family preparedness plans in place? If you answered no or I don't know, then the time is upon you to educate, encourage, and incentivize. After all, they are your organization's most valuable resource. Well, that's a wrap. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope that you will take the tips we shared and make sure that your colleagues have plans in place at home. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to get the latest videos. Until next time, have a safe day.